The inlet of a lifting station can optionally be mounted to one of the pre-scored areas. Care must be taken that the inlet is located above the level sensor for switching the pump or pumps on. Otherwise, backwater will occur in the inlet pipe, which can lead to deposits and some functional problems. See the installation and operating manual for the lowest allowable inlet height. You must also take care that the inlet is not positioned in the direct vicinity of the level sensor to ensure that its function is not impaired. Before drilling, make sure that the diameter of the hole saw matches the passage seal. Align the center of the drill hole to the center of the pre-scored area. The edges of the drill hole do not need to be deburred, as this could lead to leaks. After the seal has been inserted, the inner surface of the seal and the exterior of the inlet pipe must be coated evenly with a pipe lubricant. The inlet pipe is then slid into place and must be secured separately so that it does not exert any force on the collecting tank.